Insurance. The word alone can send shivers down your spine. It's like that weird fruitcake your aunt gives you every Christmas. You know you want it, but it's just so confusing. Deductibles? Premiums? What are these words even? And don't even get me started on trying to understand the actual policies. They're written in some ancient language, probably by the same people who wrote the iTunes terms and conditions. But here's the thing, insurance is important. Like, really important. It's the safety net that keeps you from financial ruin when life throws you a curveball. So, how do we make sense of this confusing world of insurance? Well, that's what I'm here for. Buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to demystify insurance one policy at a time. Let's be honest, nobody's spending money on insurance. It feels like you're just throwing your hard-earned cash into a black hole. But here's the truth. Insurance is not about something bad will happen. It's about, think of it like this. You wouldn't drive a car without brakes, would you? Insurance is the brakes on your financial life. It's there to protect you when, not if, you crash. And crashes happen. Maybe you get sick and need expensive medical care. Maybe you accidentally back into a parked car. We've all been there. Maybe a tree falls on your house. Okay, that last one is less likely, but you get the point. Insurance is about being prepared for the unexpected. It's about having peace of mind, knowing that you're protected if and when life throws you a curveball. And trust me, life throw you a curveball eventually. Let's start with the big one, health insurance. In a perfect world, we'd all be healthy and never need to see a doctor. But this is the real world, where people get sick, accidents happen, and medical bills can bankrupt you faster than you can say copay. Health insurance is like that friend who always has your back, and your spleen and your kidneys. It helps cover the costs of doctor's visits, hospital stays, surgeries, and even prescription drugs. Now, I know what you're thinking, health insurance is expensive, and you're not wrong. But going without it is like playing Russian roulette with your finances. One unexpected illness or injury could wipe out your savings and leave you drowning in debt. The bottom line is this. Health insurance is essential. It's an investment in your health and your financial well-being. So, do your research, compare plans, and find one that fits your needs and your budget. We all love the freedom of driving, but with great freedom comes great responsibility, and the potential for fender benders, parking lot mishaps, and the occasional run-in with a rogue shopping cart. That's where auto insurance comes in. Auto insurance isn't just about following the law, although you should definitely do that too. It's about protecting yourself financially if you're ever in an accident. Think of it like this. Your car is probably one of your most valuable assets. Auto insurance is there to protect that asset and your bank account if you're ever in an accident. There are different types of auto insurance coverage, but the most important ones are liability, which covers damages you cause to others, and collision, comprehensive, which covers damages to your own car. Make sure you understand what's covered by your policy and choose coverage levels that fit your needs and your budget. Section 5, Home Insurance, protecting your castle, even if it's a rental. Whether you own a sprawling mansion or a cozy apartment, your home is your sanctuary. It's where you keep your stuff, relax after a long day, and maybe even have the occasional dance party in your pajamas. Home insurance is there to protect your sanctuary from the unexpected, like fires, theft, natural disasters, and that time your kid decided to practice their baseball swing in the living room. Even if you're a renter, you still need renter's insurance. It covers your personal belongings inside your apartment and provides liability protection if someone is injured in your home. Home insurance is all about peace of mind, knowing that you're protected if the unthinkable happens. So don't wait until it's too late. Get covered today. Section 6. Life insurance, morbid, maybe. Important, definitely. Okay, I know talking about life insurance is about as fun as a root canal, but it's important. Like really important. It's one of those things that we often put off because it feels uncomfortable or even a bit morbid to think about. But the truth is, it's a crucial part of financial planning. Look, none of us like to think about our own mortality, but the reality is that we're all going to die someday. It's a fact of life that we can't escape, no matter how much we might want to. And while it might be easier to avoid the topic, doing so can leave our loved ones in a difficult position. And when we do, we want to make sure our loved ones are taken care of. We want to ensure that they have the financial support they need to navigate life without us. This is where life insurance becomes invaluable. That's where life insurance comes in. It's not just about money, it's about peace of mind. Knowing that your family will be financially secure even after you're gone can provide a great sense of relief. It's a financial safety net that provides money to your beneficiaries, your spouse, children, or other loved ones, if you die. This money can be used for a variety of purposes, from covering everyday expenses to paying off large debts. This money can help them cover funeral costs, pay off debts, and maintain their standard of living. It can also be used to fund future expenses like your children's education or your spouse's retirement. Choosing the right life insurance policy can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. There are many resources available to help you understand your options and make an informed decision. Talk to a financial advisor to determine the best type and amount of coverage for your needs. They can help you navigate the complexities of life insurance and find a policy that fits your unique situation. Life insurance may not be the most cheerful topic, but it's a conversation worth having. It's about planning for the future and ensuring that your loved ones are protected no matter what happens. Because at the end of the day, it's about protecting the people you love most. It's about making sure that they can continue to live their lives with financial security and peace of mind, even when you're no longer there to provide for them. Decoding the insurance maze. Tips for choosing the right policy. Choosing the right insurance policy can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. The sheer number of options, the complex terminology, and the fine print can make the process daunting and overwhelming. But fear not, my friend, I'm here to guide you through the labyrinth of insurance jargon and help you make smart choices. With a little bit of knowledge and some careful planning, you can find a policy that fits your needs perfectly. Here are a few tips. Do your research. Start by understanding the different types of insurance available and what they cover. This will give you a solid foundation to make informed decisions. Don't just go with the first insurance company you find. It might be tempting to choose the first option that comes your way, but this can lead to missing out on better deals or more suitable coverage. Shop around, compare quotes from different insurers, and read reviews from other customers. Understand your needs. Different people have different insurance needs, so it's crucial to find a policy that matches your specific situation. Take the time to assess your individual circumstances and determine what type and level of coverage you need. This might include considering factors like your health, your assets, and your future plans. Read the fine print. I know reading insurance policies is about as exciting as watching paint dry. However, it's a necessary step to ensure you fully understand what you're signing up for. But it's important to understand what's covered, what's not covered, and what your rights and responsibilities are. This knowledge can save you from unpleasant surprises down the road. Ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask your insurance agent or broker questions. They are there to help you, and no question is too small or insignificant when it comes to your peace of mind. It's their job to help you understand your policy and make informed decisions. A good agent will be patient and thorough in explaining the details to you. Remember, choosing the right insurance policy is a personal decision. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one person might not work for another. By doing your research, understanding your needs, and asking the right questions, you can find the coverage that's right for you. Take your time, be thorough, and you'll navigate the insurance maze with confidence. Insurance myths. Busted. Don't fall for these common traps. The world of insurance is rife with myths and misconceptions. These myths can lead to poor decisions that may cost you dearly in the long run. Let's debunk some of the most common insurance myths and separate fact from fiction, because understanding the truth can save you money and stress. Myth number 1, insurance is a waste of money. Many people believe that paying for insurance is like throwing money away. This is like saying, I'm a safe driver, so I don't need car insurance. But accidents can happen to anyone, no matter how careful you are. Insurance is not about if something bad will happen, it's about when. It's a safety net that ensures you're not financially devastated by unexpected events. It's there to protect you financially when life throws you a curveball, and trust me, life throws curveballs. From medical emergencies to natural disasters, insurance can be a lifesaver. Myth number 2, all insurance companies are the same. This couldn't be further from the truth. Not all insurance companies are created equal. They vary widely in terms of coverage options, pricing structures, customer service reputations, and financial stability. They have different coverage options, pricing structures, customer service reputations, and financial stability. Some may offer better customer service, while others might have more comprehensive coverage. Do your research and compare quotes from different insurers before choosing a policy. This way, you can find the best coverage that fits your needs and budget. Myth number 3. I don't need life insurance if I'm single and have no dependents. This is a common misconception. While it's true that life insurance is typically more important for people with families, even single individuals can benefit from having some coverage. It can provide peace of mind and financial security. Life insurance can help cover funeral costs, outstanding debts, and even provide a financial cushion for your loved ones. It's a way to ensure that your financial responsibilities are taken care of, even after you're gone. Don't fall prey to these insurance myths. They can lead you to make uninformed decisions that might not be in your best interest. Arm yourself with knowledge and make informed decisions about your coverage. Understanding the facts can help you choose the right insurance policies to protect yourself and your loved ones. You've got this feeling smarter about insurance, one policy at a time. Congratulations, my friend, you've made it through this crash course on insurance. You now know more about insurance than you ever thought you would or wanted to. But hey, knowledge is power, right? Insurance doesn't have to be scary or confusing. By understanding the basics, you can make informed decisions about your coverage and protect yourself financially. Remember, insurance is not about living in fear, it's about having peace of mind. It's about knowing that you're prepared for the unexpected and that you can weather life's storms. So go forth and conquer the world of insurance, one policy at a time. You've got this. Ready to level up your financial game? Feeling empowered and ready to take control of your finances? We're here to help. Subscribe to Financial Strategy for the Average Joe for more tips, tricks, and hilarious insights on navigating the world of money. We'll break down complex financial topics into bite-sized pieces, because everyone deserves to feel confident and in control of their financial future. Hit that like button and subscribe now. Don't miss out on the financial fun.